Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching Mine Express. In this video I've got this Niimbot Smart Label Printer for all your label printing needs, whether it's kitchen, electrical units, etc., boxes and other storage equipment, shipping equipment, stuff. Label printing is essential in any home, so I think this product makes a lot more sense if you have that. So this specific item is a Niimbot B1 model, and it uses thermal printing, so you need the paper to be thermal, uses heat to print, hence it says inkless printing inkless printing impression, right? So edit on your phone. You can obviously edit your label on the phone and then send it to the device for printing via Bluetooth. Compact and portable, print on volume, and so this product contains batteries, do not disassemble and stuff. So it's got about 1500 mAh battery, which is quite massive. And if you've got any issues, you have to just email to service@niimbot.com. It's a label printer, and yeah, that's pretty much all that's mentioned on the box. Let's get the plastic out of the way. Right, so here's the box, as you've seen, and let me just take this out. Right, okay, so it comes like this, and here's the printer right here up front. Let's just get it out. Fairly heavy, that's what I observe, and comes with this Type-C charging cable. Type-C charging cable. There's a quick start guide at the bottom. So let's quickly have a look. Quick start guide. Talks about packaging contents, installation, installing the app, connecting and printing, basic functionality, LED indicators, specifications, safety precautions, and related statements, etc. So label printer roll it's probably got in there, and the smart label printer, USB Type-C, quick start guide. You can see the roll is probably installed already. Then open the slide, put the label in there, maybe it's already there, let's find out. Install the app. The app's called Niimbot, so it's available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Connecting and printing, turn on Bluetooth and connect and all that sort of stuff. So there's basic functions. Switch on, switch off, print history, and the colors, the indicators. So blinking, solid, and stuff. So something of use. Yeah, so the dimensions mentioned here, 293 grams, about 4 hours charging time. Input is 5 volts, 1 amp DC, and battery capacity 1500 mAh, thermal printing 203 dpi, 20 to 48 Bluetooth Type-C, 4 dBm, constant power. So nothing else mentioned over here. There is 1 year's warranty on this unit, as far as I'm aware. Let's keep the box onto the side and the packaging onto the side, and let's have a look at the printer itself. So here's the Niimbot printer, and what it said was take this out from here. Yeah, so the roll's already installed in there, as you can see, and yeah, so let me just get this out of the way. Yeah, so the roll is already installed, and there's the power button here. You long press the power button to turn it on, or to open. It's a connection with Bluetooth by the app. So if you wanted to take the roll out, it's just a matter of getting it out like that. place sticker facing down. So you have to take the sticker out and face it down for the printing to start to work. Oh right, okay. So just, if you were to start, long press, and then you have the lights turned on. What's this? Oh, this is the charging section. Yeah, Type-C charging. And alright, the back of the box, you've got the brand information, FCC ID, made in China, and some certifications. Right, should we try and print something? Oh, sorry. Open here. Place sticker facing down. So we probably would need some time to sort of assess how this works. But these labels are quite small, if you can see. Very small labels, but you can also accommodate smaller ones, smaller than this, if you are doing electricals, etc. It does support all of that. I just want to check how that works in general. Do you have to cut these off? You'd have to probably figure out how this works. Probably won't take the time to print this now because I don't know how it works. You probably have to take the sticker one by one, cut it between with your scissors, etc., and then place it in there. This is like a thermal sticker roll that you use for printing, and yeah, it's got all this rubber finish here, and this locking mechanism, etc. Yeah, easy to operate, I think, and I'll have to probably install the other app also, Niimbot app, and try and see how you sort of sync or connect the device via Bluetooth. So yeah, I think for another video really. Sorry if you're expecting that. Then I'll make the video very soon, and we'll see how things work with this device. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this label printer. Just a little unboxing exercise as standard, but do remember that you need thermal label rolls for this specific unit, and you have to obviously make sure that the measurements, etc., are up to the mark for you to sort of be able to print your labels using this printer. Alright, so if there's any questions or queries, do let me know. Please do feel free to post in the comments section. I do try and find some time to review the comments and try and respond as much as I can to your comments. But yeah, do keep in touch. Do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Alright, take care. Cheers. Bye.